Today I will tell you how to pass the test of Insolvo freelance website. Enter your email address and click on continue, then type your name. Check your email and enter the confirmation code. Answer the question. Now click on compulsory test. Copy the question number 1, then paste it on Google search. Click on Yahoo Finance, and there you will find the opening price. Now correct the spelling mistakes. Read question number 3 carefully. Click on Rules, then copy the URL link of the newly opened tab, return to the testing page, then paste it on the question number 3 answer place, add // and write the current date as the format given. Now you have passed the registration test. Pay the subscription fee to gain access to the tasks. Thanks for watching.